If you have a dog with long or curly hair, you have probably seen those messy clumps of tangled fur, called mats. Here are some simple and natural ways to demat your dog safely, using things you may already have at home. One of the easiest ways to prevent and remove mats is regular brushing. Use a slicker brush or a wide-toothed comb. Brushing helps untangle the fur before it gets too tight. For long-haired dogs, brush at least once a day. Coconut oil works like magic on tangled fur. Rub a small amount between your hands and gently apply it to the mat. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. It softens the mat, making it easier to comb out. Sprinkle a little cornstarch on the mat. It helps loosen the hair and gives your fingers or comb more grip. After applying it, gently work through the mat with your fingers or a brush. Make a natural detangling spray by mixing 1 part dog-safe conditioner with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Spray it on the mat and wait a few minutes before brushing. This softens the hair naturally and makes detangling easier. Never yank a mat out. Pulling hard can hurt your dog and make them fear grooming. Always go slowly and gently. Start brushing at the tip of the hair and slowly move toward the skin. This way, you won't tighten the mat or cause pain. Dematting combs or rakes are special tools that help remove mats gently. Use short, gentle strokes and don't pull too hard, especially near sensitive areas like the belly or behind the ears. Never bathe the dog with tight mats. Water can make mats worse. First, remove as many mats as possible, then give your dog a warm bath using a gentle, natural shampoo. If you don't have coconut oil, olive oil or aloe vera gel can also help. Both work as natural lubricants to soften the mats and protect your dog's skin. If your dog gets tired or stressed, take a break. Come back to grooming after 10 to 15 minutes. A calm dog makes grooming easier. Always reward your dog after a grooming session. This helps build positive habits and makes them enjoy the process. If a mat is too tight and painful, gently cut it out using blunt-ended scissors or a pet trimmer. Be extra careful not to cut the skin. Regular trimming helps prevent mats from forming. You don't have to shave your dog, just keep the coat at a length that's easy to manage. Your dog can sense your energy. Stay calm, use a soft voice, and treat grooming as bonding time. A little love goes a long way. With gentle hands, natural products, and a little patience, you can keep your dog's coat clean, healthy, and tangle-free.